Selling your home in 2025 could be like walking into hidden traps that could cost you thousands of dollars, and it could even totally tank your sale. I'm Jerry Pinkas, your real estate expert with over 20 years helping sellers just like you. Now, in the next 12 minutes, I'm going to reveal 7 costly traps that you must avoid to sell your home fast and get the highest price possible in this market. So stick around. This could save you a fortune. So let's jump in. Trap number 1 is neglecting your home's curb appeal. Now, in 2025, buyers are absolutely ruthless. Higher interest rates, it means that they're judging your home, and they're doing this in seconds. An overgrown lawn, peeling paint, this screams that this is a problem property. Now, my client, Sarah, she had her house sit on the market unsold for 128 days because she had a messy yard and it turned buyers off. Now, here's how you dodge this. You spend $500 or $1,000 on curb appeal. You want to mow the lawn, you trim the shrubs, you add fresh mulch and paint to that front door. You know, a welcoming exterior can boost the sale price between $5,000 and $10,000. But there's a pricing mistake that's even worse. Stay tuned for trap number 2. Trap 2, pricing based on emotion, not the data. With 2025's cooling market, and overpricing a house is really a killer. So sellers who price based on what they want or last year's sales price end up slashing their prices months later. Now, I work with Mike, who overpriced his home by $30,000 and lost $25,000 after months of no offers. You can dodge this trap by pricing strategically. You get a comparative market analysis from the expert agent in your local market. Don't just rely on the Redfin or the Zillow numbers. Price it at or slightly below market to spark bidding wars, and this will drive your price up. So in 2025, the data beats the feelings every single time. Up next, the trap that could blindside you during your inspections. Don't miss trap 3. Trap 3, skipping the pre-sale inspection. Now, buyers in 2025, they demand transparency and hidden issues like faulty wiring or water damage that can derail the sale of your house totally. My client Lisa faced a $12,000 repair bill after the buyer's inspection found out there was mold that she didn't even know about. Invest $400 or $500 in a pre-sale inspection, fix those major issues, and disclose them up front so you avoid the deal-killing surprises and possible lawsuits. This builds trust and keeps the sale on track. But there's a staging mistake that could scare buyers away. Trap number 4 is next. Trap 4 is skimping on staging. In 2025, buyers want move-in ready homes. An empty or a cluttered home feels uninviting. Studies have shown staged homes actually sell 40% faster and for 5 to 15% more. I helped John stage his vacant home for $2,500 and it sold in 10 days for $35,000 above asking. Hire a pro stager or a DIY with neutral decor. This is a win. Focus on the kitchen, the living room, and the master bedroom. These are key areas that buyers always obsess over. And virtual staging, this stuff works for online listings as well. You ready for a contract trap that could cost weeks? Trap 5 is coming up next. Trap 5, ignoring contract fine print. In 2025, buyers are backing out over the tiniest little details, vague repair credits and those loose timelines. My client, Emma, she nearly lost the sale when her buyer misread the contingency, delaying the closing by 6 weeks. And this is why you want to work with a sharp agent to review every contract line. You want to clarify those contingencies. You want to set firm deadlines, and you want to negotiate repairs up front. A tight contract really prevents chaos and locks your sale. But there's a marketing trap that you're probably overlooking, and that's trap 6. It's huge. Trap 6 is using bad listing photos. In 2025, 90% of buyers start their search online. So low quality photos, or even worse, phone selfies, make your home look really cheap. I saw a seller, Tom, who lost buyer interest because of his dim, blurry pictures that hid his home's potential. So hire a professional photographer. It's going to cost you $200 or $500, and use wide-angle lenses. You want to shoot in natural light when it's a blue sky sunny day. Use twilight shots for that wow factor. And great photos, they'll drive more showings and more traffic and higher offers. Now, the final trap could tank your sale at the last second. Trap 7 is a must-know. Trap 7, misreading the buyer's psychology. Now, in 2025, buyers are super cautious. They're spooked by rising rates and economic noise in the news. And if you push too hard or you seem too desperate, guess what? They'll lowball or they'll walk away. Now, my client, Rachel, scared off a buyer who was showing their home by rushing in during a showing. She was excited that she had a showing, but she scared him. So play it cool. Let your buyers tour without pressure. Highlight your home's unique features. any upgrades that you've done. And also lean on your listing agent to read the buyer's clues, because understanding their mindset nets you stronger offers. Okay, so you're almost there. Let's wrap up with a game plan that you can actually implement. Look, if you're at a crossroads selling in 2025, it doesn't have to be a minefield. Just avoid 7 traps: the bad curb appeal, the emotional pricing, the skipping of inspections, the poor staging and contract slip-ups, and the weak photos and misreading your buyers, and you'll sell faster and for top dollar. You want my free 2025 seller's checklist to nail every single step? Then go ahead and click the link below and grab one. And if this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe button, and hit that bell for more ways to win in 2025 real estate market. I'm Jerry Pinkas, and I'm here to help you sell smart. Got a burning question about selling your home? Go ahead, drop it in the comments, and I'm going to answer in my next video.